Today is Friday, Black Friday. Let the plugin madness begin. Instead of just presenting some plugins and tell you about the price, I've decided to do something different. I want to showcase 5 different vocal chain ideas that I use on a regular basis, my go-to plugins when it comes to vocal mixing, so you can take inspiration from this. You can also download all the chains from the link in the description, showcasing 5 different vocal chains that I use on a regular basis. You can check the plugins out and see if they have a really good price for Black Friday. If they do and you think and you feel that you need that plugin, go get it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the like button. Let's jump into the vocal chain. To achieve a great vocal sound, I need a couple of plugins. I need a corrective EQ, a tonal EQ, 2 compressors, de-essers, plus the usual suspects when it comes to sends, reverb and delay. All the plugin chains in this session are based on that principle. Let's start with the first one. This is the vocal dry without any processing. It sounds like this.
Seh alles scheinen, seh alles funkeln, so viele Steine, so tiefe Wunden und vielleicht bleib ich nur. Seh alles scheinen, seh alles funkeln, so viele Steine, so tiefe Wunden und vielleicht bleib ich nur für eine Stunde.
Corrective EQ Pro Q3 from FabFilter, RVox, de-esser from Waves, QuickTech AQP1A. This is the Pultec from Waves, and R compressor. When it comes to sends, I have 7 Heaven Professional and Echo Boy. On the second one, it's a much simpler chain. We have the same corrective EQ moves, C4, which is one of my favorite multiband compressors for vocals, CLA Vocals, one plugin that it's really easy to use, and if you want to do something really quick, I highly recommend it, and a de-esser.
Seh alles scheinen, seh alles funkeln, so viele Steine, so tiefe Wunden und vielleicht bleib ich nur für eine Stunde. Ich seh die Scheine, sie werden bunter.
For reverb, I've used Reverb from Waves and H delay, really subtle moves on the CLA vocals. This is one basic but really effective chain. Third chain sounds like this.
Seh alles scheinen, seh alles funkeln, so viele Steine, so tiefe Wunden und vielleicht bleib ich nur für eine Stunde. Ich seh die Scheine, sie werden bunter.
This chain uses quite a few Arturia plugins because I really like using them on vocals. This is the Neve emulation, adding some top end. Then we have 1176 emulation, the tube compressor, and last in the chain we have the Pro DS from FabFilter, the de-esser. Chain number 4 sounds like this.
Seh alles scheinen, seh alles funkeln, so viele Steine, so tiefe Wunden und vielleicht bleib ich nur für eine Stunde.
C4, but this time I'm doing a different kind of multiband compression.
Steine, seh alles funkeln.
CEQ from Soundtoys, and last in the chain TubeTech CL1B from Softube. As my reverb, I'm using Phoenix Verb from Isotope and Relayer from UVI. Last chain idea, really simple, and it sounds like this.
Seh alles scheinen, seh alles funkeln, so viele Steine, so tiefe Wunden und vielleicht bleib ich nur für eine Stunde. Ich seh die Scheine, sie werden bunter.
And this one was done with just Nectar. We have de-essers, compressors, delay and reverb. This is a vocal channel strip. These are 5 vocal chains that I've used this year with great success. All of the chains are really versatile. Some of them are really easy to use and you can tweak them a bit more to achieve different sound with different characters. Now let's get into the plugin deals that I think are really nice for Black Friday. We are on the Plugin Boutique website. I have some affiliate links in the description. If you buy plugins using my affiliate link, I get a small kickback without an additional cost to you. The first plugin is FabFilter Pro Q3. We have a pretty nice discount, and this is a must-have plugin. If you want to buy it now. Then one plugin that you should get is the RC20, the retro color. This one is a plugin that I use all the time on breakdowns, on beats and things like that. It's just a character machine holiday bundle from iZotope, $60, and you get Ozone elements, Neutron elements, RX elements, Nectar elements, Iris 2, Trash 2, pretty amazing saturation distortions, and then you get the R2, Excalibur, Phoenix Verb, a lot of plugins for just $60. This is an interesting deal. Then we have the sale for Ozone 9. You can get standard for $120. Like I've said, Phoenix Verb, $11. Then we have this Autotune Access, a basic way to get into the Autotune ecosystem. You get that classic Autotune sound for just $60. FX Collection from Arturia, $200, and you get all the plugins from Arturia. Really impressive. Shaper Box bundle, $100, really nice. Stereo Savage, $32. Tokyo Dawn Labs, they've just released the Molot compressor. The sale on Presonus, if you're using like an artist version or the producer version, I think it's called, this is the time to upgrade. TubeTech sale, you can get the TubeTech compressor for $175. This is not the best price I've saw, but it's still a good price for the compressor collection. Then we have the Aken Digital sale. I highly recommend the restoration suit for $73. Echo Boy, a must have, or the entire bundle for $250. The Seventh Heaven Reverb, it's $180. It's usually $300, so if you wanna get Seventh Heaven, now is the time. Let's move to other offers. We have the Oak Sound Sud, €140. That's I think $150. Then let's go to the Waves page, and this is where you have tons of plugins at a really cool price. I will only focus on the vocal plugins that I use for vocal mixing. Waves Tune Real Time, this is not the best price that I saw. This plugin, $29, is the best one. If you are looking for a channel strip, the E channel is a good one. CLA 2A, for me it's a must have. CLA Vocals, $29. CLA 76, the 1176 emulation. Can get the entire signature bundle for $59, and you get included the CLA effects, which I use sometimes on ad-libs. RVox, $29, get it. Vintage Aural Exciter, sometimes I use it. This is a really good price for it. DSR must have. RBass must have. Twig Child compressor, this is a really great vocal compressor. We have the H series that includes H delay and H reverb, H EQ, and the compressor for only $69. You can get this one if you need a really cool reverb and delay. CLA Mixdown, this one is a really cool plugin to be used on vocal buses. R compressor, a classic. C4, again, this is the best price for C4. If you want to get it now. MV2, again, the best price for it. Metaflanger, best price for it. You can also get like this bundle that includes Metaflanger and the RVox and the Doubler, which is a must-have plugin for just $39. There are other companies that have sale more amazing plugins. I cannot include them all in a single video, but these are just a couple of recommendations from me. I hope that you enjoyed this list. Black Friday, I think, is the best day to get plugins. Really cool deals on Plugin Boutique, really great deals on Waves. Go and check the market out, see what plugins you need, you actually need. Don't get into this gas gear acquisition syndrome mode and buy all the plugins just because they are on sale. I think you should really focus on filling in the pieces that you are missing from your chain that you think will improve your mixes. So this is my advice for you. If you have a good sound already with the plugins you have, maybe just treat yourself with a plugin or two. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks for the support and see you guys really soon. Cheers.